Hello friends, today I'm going to show you my little fairy garden which I have made from all the basic things which are available at home only. I have purchased nothing from the market or online. This is everything which is, I could have found at my home place, and that is how I've created this little piece. I think all of us, without wasting extra money, we can create these beautiful gardens from our own imagination. So I'll just show you what all I have used. This is an earthen pot which I have used. It was like a waste one, it was not in use, so I decided to use this one. And then I added some mud over it, and then I had this little house which I bought from a hill station, so it was like a small showpiece. So I used this, and I added some sand to create its base and give it a height, and then I created this path. And for this path I have bounded it with by the toothpicks, and this string which you can see, this is actually a bracelet, a broken bracelet basically, which I have kind of reused. And then these are some of the basic plants like money plant and 10 a.m. plant and the snake plant, some basic plants which I have used. And this was again a little piece of thing which I had at my home at my puja ghar, so I decided to put that also. And these ducks are my kiddos bathing toys, so I kind of use them also. And these horses, again, it was broken from my kids toy. They were like 6 in number, but I decided to put 2 of them only, as if they are grazing. And this was the carriage man of this toy, so I decided to put him here, and it's looking like as if he's sitting on a bench. So this is how I have from the toys which were available at my house, and from some of my imagination, and adding some of stones, sand, toothpicks, this is how I've created this look. And I think all of us, we have some imagination in our mind, and we can make this fairy garden ourselves, and it can add up to the garden's beauty. Thank you so much.